As per the latest reports, 3 significant cast members of The Young and the Restless have booked roles in new projects which have their fans very excited. However, at the same time, fans are also wondering if the new projects are to make an impact on their Y&R stints. Watch till the end to find out what new shows or movies your favorite actors have landed. Will they be leaving Y&R for their new jobs? Let's see. Before we get on with the video, we want you to know that we make new videos every day, so make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Hey everyone, welcome to Trend Street.
Kate Linder, who plays the role of Esther Valentine on Y&R, recently booked a role in a reality series Gown and Out in Beverly Hills Season 2. The show, which premiered in 2017, follows the crazy antics of 3 elite fashion designers while giving a sneak peek into the personal lives of some famous Hollywood celebs. This season, Emmy-nominated Kate Linder is set to be one of the celebrity guests alongside former Teen Mom star Farrah Abraham, Days of Our Lives star Patrika Darbo, Indian actress Neetu Chandra, transgender pop artist Sham Ibrahim, teen star Ava Kolkar, and Vanderpump Rules star Sienna Shea. So far, the release date for Gown and Out Season 2 has not been disclosed. And the air date for Kate's episode also remains unannounced, but one thing is clear, that this brief stint won't keep Kate from continuing as Esther on Y&R. Additionally, Kate is also set to appear in the role of an upcoming comedy film Shriver, which is still in the making. Reports tell us that Kate will be playing the role of a college president in the film. The release date of this movie has not been disclosed either. The star who made her breakthrough as the child artist on Y&R, actress Cameron Grimes, is set to appear in a short movie soon. Soap Opera News confirmed last weekend that Grimes has landed a role in an upcoming short film called 2020. So far, very little about this movie is known to us. Stephen Sean Ford, the maker of the movie, recently uploaded a teaser of the movie on Instagram and gave a brief introduction to his new project. Actors like Colton Escheve Maestro, Teresa Jefferson, Josh Hahn, Michael Lieberman, Monica Abbott, and more are set to join Grimes in the movie. And although an official release date is yet to be determined, the movie is so far expected to hit the screens in 2021. The final Y&R star who is set to join a new project is child artist Judah Mackey, who plays the role of Connor Newman. Judah has joined the cast of an upcoming animated web series Stillwater, not to be confused with the upcoming crime drama movie of the same name. The Stillwater that Judah is joining is the newest children's program on Apple TV+, which is based on an educational book series, Zen's Shorts by John J. Muth. The series is about 3 siblings, a panda named Stillwater, and a next-door neighbor. Child actors James Tsai, Tucker Chandler, and Eva Binder are the other cast members of this series.
Thank you for checking this video out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. Turn that bell notification on if you want to hear from us, and comment down below if you've subscribed, and we'll make sure to reply and thank as many of you as we possibly can.